In this video, I'm going to take you through the new connections inventory for Layer 2 connections. I'm logged into the Equinix Fabric portal, and here is the connections inventory page. You can view and manage your virtual connections by clicking on the Connections dropdown and selecting Connections Inventory. The Connections Inventory offers a singular view of all virtual connections with advanced filtering and search capabilities for easier accessibility. As we scroll down, there are several options to locate an existing incoming or outgoing Layer 2 connection. If you have the name of the connection handy, you can run a simple search by typing in this text field. You can also search by categories such as connection and company name, authentication key, access point, VLAN, UUID, and service token from this dropdown. Custom filters can then be used to adjust the table below by connection status, connection type, access point, origin, and destination locations. Checkboxes under Other also provide the option to filter redundant, remote, or connections that use a service token. Please note that the filters can be cleared at any given point by clicking on either the individual clear filter options or the clear all filter options here. The list of connections and associated attributes can be downloaded using the Export CSV file option. You can also edit the columns listed by default by clicking on this icon here to show or hide columns and customize your view. The number of connections per page can also be customized from this dropdown. Now, let's click on this connection here. The Connection Details page offers a consistent view for all connections with 4 tabs including Overview, Origin, Destination, and Connection Utilization. All permitted actions, including accept and reject on new connections and delete on existing connections, will be visible on the top right corner. The Overview tab offers the option to change your connection name and connection bandwidth. If you wish to migrate the origin port on your outgoing connection, select the Origin tab and click on the Edit button next to port name. Please note that only ports from the current metro of the same priority and encapsulation type will be available for this migration. That concludes this demo. Thanks for watching.